Howdy friends, today I will be teaching you how to use a treadle table. Mine is from 1923, it's a Singer. Though the machine itself is entirely different for its age, I'm not entirely sure, but that's how you get it up. It's a Singer redeye. So, first we'll have to use this, which is the belt. I had a bit of trouble doing this, so you'll need like multiple people. So, how to use it. For your 2 feet, usually I like to put mine up there, and this one there. You'll want to treadle like this. Usually I just use my left leg to push. And if you have it going towards you, then eventually the belt will catch on. Once you want to start, you'll definitely want to first get your bobbin encased, but I already have that. Then, you want to make sure that this is going towards you when you're sewing. Otherwise, it'll break the thread and make your fabric go backwards. Mine, thankfully, has a key. So, let me show you. This is the main one. It has some space. You put the square into there. This one turns different than the others, but you'll just do that. Then these, you also put in there, except this turns a different way. You pull it out. The drawers are very deep, but I do have a problem with them not staying in very well if you pull them enough. There's 3 on each side. Once you get your belt, this is a different one that doesn't really work for me because it stretches too much, but it's good to show you. So, to install the Treadle belt, you first have to place it right here, in between these two. I accidentally put it on this and did it wrong the first time, so I had too much of it. You go down there, and down here you can see where it plugs into, right here. Yeah? And then it goes on the belt itself, and then it goes up here, and up there. They all line up, but the reason why this works is that there is a metal part right on the belt. It's at the top right now. Right here. You can't really see it very well, but it's there to keep off the weight. So that while you're treadling, it will get stuck if you do it wrong, or if you stop at the wrong place, and it'll just stay like this. You can obviously like rock it off, or use your hand. I usually use my hand, but that can hurt you, so I would not recommend using it. But to get, where is it? The pieces to come together with this, you take the edge of this, you put them together, and this one already has one on one side. It has a little clip, like that. All of them do. It doesn't really work very well, but there's not really any better way to do it. You take the awl, or whatever pokey spike thing you're using, and poke a hole through it, and put the clip through it. And then the other side, you just use the awl again, poke a hole through it, and use the clip, put them together. Treadle table.